In today's video, I'm showing you my go-to makeup look for the month of March. I'm doing it as a get ready with me style of video. The main product that I want to talk to you guys that I got to achieve this eye look is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. That has been a go-to of mine for the month of March, and I figured, hey, I'll just do a look using that palette today. I'm not using all the products that I mentioned in my March favorites, but I am using a lot of them. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, stick around. I'm going to start by using my Glow Recipe Watermelon Mist. I'm going to go in with my Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. Next, I'm going in with my Clove Hallow Concealer. I love pairing this concealer with this foundation. I'm going to set my foundation using my Kat Von D setting powder. I was just talking with my friend the other night how much I love loose powders, but that they are so messy. This foundation just has the most beautiful finish. I love it. I'm going to do my eyebrows really quick using my Anastasia Brow Wiz in caramel and in dark brown, so I'll be right back in just a second. I always love getting my eyebrows done with because, I don't know, I just find eyebrows not to be the most entertaining thing to do. Alright, now I'm ready to jump into my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. And I'm going to do just a simple look that I do every day for the most part. With my Lancome Grandiose Extreme Mascara. I just love how this lifts every single eyelash. Yeah, this is really pretty. Eyelashes done. Next I need to go in and line my eyes using my LA Girl Glide On Gel Liner. I'm going to go into this gold shade and use that in my inner corner. So that has been my go-to eye look for the month of March. And now you guys can see kind of I feel like this eye look is so simple, but it's very flattering, and I feel like a lot of you could pull this look off. So, all right, next I'm gonna brighten my under eyes using my Catrice Light Illusion Loose Powder in Yellow Matte. Now it is time to bronze. I'm going to use my Faced Coco Powder foundation that I use as a bronzer. And I'm going to use my It Cosmetics brush. Don't want too much going on there, just enough so you can see some definition. Then I'm going to take this Morphe stippling brush and I'm going to go into this Hikari. I got this blush when I was doing the Ipsy bag, like monthly subscription, and I really love this blush. It really does pair so well with this eye look. I'm just going to swirl it around in there. That's why I didn't go for too much bronzer, because you've got those gold shimmers in there. I'm going to go with a very light hand because this is extremely pigmented, so I like that. I've been going heavier on the blush lately and I really like it. Next I'm going in with my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Luminescent Light. It's very natural and pretty. I like that. I love this matte lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. It really is beautiful, and the packaging is just beautiful. On top of the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, I'm going on top with the iluvsarah Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip. And that is the finished look, you guys. And I am ready for my date tonight with my husband. We're celebrating 9 months. All right, everyone, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I loved doing this look for you guys because it's been my go-to look for the month of March, and it just fit right in with all the products that I was talking about for my favorites. So I figured I would go ahead and do a video like this so you could see what some of the products look like and how they apply. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.